Do you want to make perfect movie theater popcorn at home? Well then come on into the Weiner Diner and I'll show you how to make authentic, golden, delicious movie theater popcorn.
The Weiner Diner!
Hey there YouTubeverse, I'm Matt Weiner and you're in the Weiner Diner. Here's what it costs in my area to take a family of 5 to the movies. Ticket prices. Roughly $85 for 3 adults and 2 kids. Popcorn. $45 for 2 larges and 3 smalls. Candy, drinks, gas, time, frustration. $5 billion. But for real, the price for just tickets to a movie and popcorn is roughly $130. But if you have a decent home theater setup and a TV that plays 4K movies, the film has already paid for itself. And bonus, no traffic and no previews. Which means the only thing that you're missing to replicate that movie-going experience is some dude in front of you on his iPhone and movie theater popcorn. I have a teenager, so I've got that whole texting during the movie thing covered. But what about the popcorn? Let's head to the kitchen and see how the pros do it. Orville Redenbacher's, this is just original popcorn. The quality of the kernel matters. I'm saying that because I've tried cheap bulk kernels and they're terrible. They come out like styrofoam, right? They're like chewy and you can't even like break them down with your teeth. They just kind of flatten out and you end up like just spitting them. It's just awful. It's like eating cardboard. Coconut oil, but not just any kind of coconut oil. And yes, I know, this is a giant tub of coconut oil. I've found smaller ones online from different brands. I don't like them as much. I like Snappy. It's the right kind of oil. And here are the ingredients. This tells you that I'm getting old. I gotta take my glasses off to read the ingredients. Coconut oil. And so here's the secret to this kind of coconut oil, beta carotene. I think, is beta carotene good for vision? Because if so, I need to like eat a lot more of it or something. That's why you eat carrots, I think. Beta carotene. That's why this thing is orange. That's why this coconut oil looks the way it does, all right? There's one more ingredient that you need. That is the secret ingredient that all movie theater chains use, that everybody uses to make movie theater popcorn. Flavacol. This is the stuff. This stuff transforms popcorn into a work of art. What's Flavacol? Oh man, I gotta take my glasses off again. Salt plus yellow number 5 and yellow number 6 and artificial flavors. It's salt, but it's a very specific type of salt. And it's very, very fine. And in this, it says there are 827 servings. You want to know why? Because a little goes a long way. This is going to last you forever. This is going to last you forever. Or at least you think it's going to last you forever. And then you start eating it because it tastes good. And then you're making a lot more. And you end up having to buy these giant jugs more than you think. And then you're kind of disgusted with yourself by thinking like, you know, like right in here. Like that's kind of gross. There you have it. Movie theater popcorn made at home. You don't even need one of these guys. I'll do another video later about how to make the same popcorn in an air fryer and on a stove, but it's a lot of fun. So if you choose to get one, check the affiliated link below, and if you buy it, I get a tiny little kickback. I get to make more popcorn. Now for my favorite part, I get to eat it. Oh, we're gonna go with a whole mouthful. Mmm. Mmm. Come on. Look at that coloring. Mmm. So now, let's go see if it was worth it. So, was it worth it? Let's find out. Tickets. Free. Popcorn oil. $30 for the bucket, comes out to about $1 per serving. Flavor call. It's like $6 for the container. It's gonna last you forever, so it's essentially nothing. Popcorn, $13 for that 8-pound container, about $1 a serving. Candy, drinks, gas, time, frustration. I'll let you calculate that on your own. All in all, one full batch costs about $2, $4 if you make 2 batches. That's a savings of $126 if my math is right. For more tips and tricks on how to keep that going out vibe alive, subscribe, hit the bell, never miss a bite. Until next time, I'm Matt Weiner, and you're in the Weiner Diner.
The Weiner Diner.